Welcome back to another video. I'm Alexandra Crawford, California Realtor. Today I'll be focusing the neighborhood spotlight on the area of Bonsall, highlighting local schools, employers, amenities, and more. Set at the foot of North San Diego's rolling hills is the area of Bonsall. It's quite the opposite of the more fast-paced urban lifestyle and setting of other areas in San Diego County. The words rustic, relaxed, and quiet are typically used to describe the area. So if you like farming, horseback riding, then Bonsall should definitely be at the top of the list of places for you to live. Another benefit or feature in the area is its wonderful wildlife center called Wild Wonders, which aims to educate the public on wildlife and protection of our planet. In addition to these features is the population of Bonsall, which is lower than that to other areas in San Diego County, coupled with its great schools, making the area a great place to raise children. The climate is also consistent year-round and is typically compared to that of a Mediterranean-like climate, meaning that you get to avoid the dips and spikes in heat and humidity. Now, the overall cost of living in Bonsall tends to be higher than that of other areas as well, with increased housing and entertainment costs, but the trade-off to living here is actually pretty clear. Here's a quick view of area highlights for Bonsall. In terms of the rent versus ownership ratio, there's a 30% rental ratio to that of 70% of homeowners. The area's population is slightly over 4,000 people. There have been 61 sales in the last 180 days with an average selling price slightly over $850,000. Here's some demographic data to keep in mind for the area of Bonsall. When it comes to the overall cost of living, Bonsall ranks 16% higher than the national average. In terms of housing, it's 13% higher than the national average. Entertainment, Bonsall comes in 18% higher than the national average. The utility costs in the area are 5% higher than the national average. And the crime rate in Bonsall is 48% lower than the national average. The construction industry employs the largest percentage of the workforce in the area. If you want to learn more about the area of Bonsall, including local eateries, activities, pet shops, and more, you can visit the Explore Our Areas tab on my website. If you're thinking of buying or selling a home in the area and you want to start planning, I'd be happy to set up a call with you. You can call or text me at 619-752-4177. You can also email me at ask@alexandratherealtor.com. Thanks again for watching.